Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe Beta Facts and also press the bell icon to get the latest updates. So let's get started. Being a student is often a very important phase in a person's life. However, studying is a full-time occupation, and so students who are looking to earn a bit of money start searching for part-time jobs that don't affect their studies. Other concerns for students are how to earn money online without making a large investment, or finding jobs that require minimal experience. And here's the good news. There are actually a number of online part-time jobs for students, where they can earn money at home. Number 5. Start tutoring online. Students are constantly learning new things, so one easy way to earn money online is to share some of this knowledge. Whether you want to tutor school children or provide courses for adults who want to learn something new, all you need is access to a fast internet connection. You can either sign up with a virtual tutoring platform like Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera, or simply reach out on social media to friends and relative circles to broadcast your online tutoring classes. There is very little monetary investment involved, though you will need to brush up on some teaching skills. Based on your level of expertise and the subject matter, you can earn up to 200 to 500 rupees per hour. Number 4. PTC sites. The internet is full of sites that allow ways to earn money for students by completing simple tasks like filling surveys, watching videos, etc. These are called PTC, pay-to-click, sites. PTC sites are a type of business model that is quickly rising to gain ground in India. They are money-earning sites where you have to fill in some contact information about yourself, and then you are eligible to access the different tasks that offer you some extra pocket money. Though there are a lot of such PTC sites, there is only a handful of them that are trusted online money-making sites, while the internet is flooded with others that are mostly scams. The trusted PTC sites help make money online in India for students who are willing to spend 2 to 3 hours every day. The tasks include activities like filling online surveys, watching entertaining ads, referral websites and apps, or even shopping online and surfing the web. Yes, these activities that you almost do on a regular basis can actually provide an earning for students who are up for the task. Some of the most trusted PTC sites to make money online in India for students are Swag, Bucks, Y, Sense, Neo, Baksh, Inbox, Dollars. Number 3. Complete tasks using Fiverr. If you have a lot of free time on your hands and a means to get around the city, a bike or a car, this method can be a fruitful one and has been used by many to make money online in India for students. Fiverr is an online platform where different people can post small tasks that are up for bid to be completed by the other users of Fiverr. These tasks depend on different users but generally involve small works like delivering a book here, watering the plants there, completing a written assignment, etc. If you are up for some activity during the day and don't mind doing little chores in exchange for money, Fiverr is the place for you. Number 2. Social Media Manager. The job description of a social media manager is very similar to that of an Instagram influencer and helps greatly in creating brand awareness for the company. They are required to build large communities of followers and promote content about a company's products or services. They must engage their followers, through likes and comments, about the benefits of the usage of the product. Finally, they are also expected to invoke certain action from their followers. This can be in the form of push materials like blog posts, sign them up for email newsletters, encourage them to buy the product. Number 1. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is quickly rising to be one of the most sought-after jobs to make money online in India for students. As more and more brands are transitioning to find a digital presence, They are increasingly offering ways to earn money for students who can help them in tasks like creating and managing the small marketing efforts of brands, mainly on social media or different websites. And learning the skill of digital marketing does not require 4 years or a college degree. Google Digital Unlocked, a free online course by Google, gives students an easy way to understand the basics of digital marketing and use those skills to look for jobs.